What's going on, everyone? Walking education, right? I'm always doing my walking and I'm answering questions. So somebody was asking me, hey, the video you did today, you said something about an escalation clause. Can you go over it a little bit more? I'm going to go over it really fast. I'm going to explain to you what I don't like about it and how you can use it better. So an escalation clause is pretty much stating that you're giving your offer the right to auction itself up to a certain point. So let's just use a $100,000 house. Let's say house is on the market for $100,000 and you have three offers. One is 120, one's 115, and the other one's 100,000 with an escalation clause up to $1,000 better than the highest offer, maxed at say 125. Okay. This is what I hate about the escalation clause, but this is what I like if you used it the right way. So hear me out. Bad analogy, but you'll understand. Imagine there's two guys and they really like this one girl. And the one guy says, oh, it's your birthday? I'm going to get you a piece of candy. But I'll get you something better if he gets you something better. And the second guy's like, oh, it's your birthday? I'm going to get you the most beautiful jewelry in the world. And the first guy goes, oh, no, I'm going to get that now and I'm going to get something better. Well, why didn't you do it in the first place? Well, because I wanted to see if I can get away with just getting you chocolate. That's the escalation clause. If you use it the wrong way, which means I'm just going to give you 100,000, and if I can get a deal, great. Now, granted, when you're representing a buyer, you don't want them to overpay. I get it. You're trying to protect yourself by not paying too much. I get it. But this is how I would use it better. Man, I really love that house. I really want it. All right, I'm going to assume that that house is going to get multiple offers. I'll tell you what. You're asking 100,000. I'll give you 120,000. And I'll put an escalation clause that states that I will pay $1,000 more up to this. What you're saying is you're already coming in strong. I really want this house. I really love it. I'm going to come in so strong and I'm going to escalate it as well. Not like this one who's like, I'll start here and I'll go up. See, I don't like that. I think you're not telling me you're that serious. You're saying I'll only overpay if somebody else wants to overpay, but everybody else is like, I will pay. I love this house. Give it to me. You know, at the fact that I'm already coming in high, I should get the house. I like people that come in strong in this market who understand this market. That's me. That's the escalation clause. It's auctioning off your offer up to a certain amount. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you want to go for a nice walk in this beautiful Tampa, why you should move here. Look at this. Beautiful skies. Weather's amazing and it's only March. I'm Karen. Talk to you soon.